I am so excited! I love my new closet dressing room. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made it. I'm using one of my shelves to create a little doll closet dressing room for Barbie, plus it'll be semi-permanent, so it's easier for me to post pictures or videos every day on my Instagram account. Please follow me there at Ginger's Doll World for Barbie fashion pics, behind the scenes to some of my videos, and so much more. At Ginger's Doll World. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to use foam board to make a brick wall pattern. I don't want to do it right on the shelf because I may want to change it or remove it later. I measured my shelf, then I cut a piece of foam board to fit the back. Then I measured all the lines for my brick and drew it out with pencil. Before that, I glued my foam board to a piece of cardboard so it wouldn't warp after I paint it. Then I used some tools to go over all the lines. I went deep, but it's okay because I have the cardboard glued to the back. I mixed some pink craft paint called Tutti Frutti with some white paint so it wouldn't be so dark. The craft paint is from the dollar store. I applied a couple of coats. I went right in between all the bricks with the brush so no white is shown through. Because I don't want it to be permanent, instead of glue, I'm going to use Velcro to attach it to the back of the shelf. For the side walls, I used this pink scrapbook paper, but I didn't like it next to the brick. So I just used a patterned white piece of scrap wallpaper to keep it simple. I also applied it to a piece of foam board and used Velcro to attach it to the shelf. For the wall racks, I used building blocks, skewers, wood beads, and the paint stir stick. I painted everything white. I used a small hand drill to drill a couple of holes for the skewers to make it more secure and strong. I made two of the wall racks. The one on the top, I added the paint stir stick to use it as a shelf. The standalone clothing rack was also made from some wooden blocks, wood beads, and skewers. I gave it a little sanding and also painted everything white. The wood beads are to secure it better. I made two shelves that were also made from wood pieces that I found at garage sales. I sanded and painted them white. And I glued all the pieces together. I made these yarn balls a while ago, but I lost the footage. I'll be making them again soon, and I will post the video here. I think it'll look great in the corner. I can also put lights in the yarn ball and make it a chandelier. I bought this Barbie vanity at the thrift store, but it needs a new look. I gave it a good sanding and painted it white. For the top of the vanity, I covered a piece of cardstock with marble shelf paper. And I also added a real mirror. The pink chair is from eBay. The round little rugs made with dollar store yarn were made by my mom. She's a master at crochet. Me, not so much. And now I need to do all the finishing touches and hang some of my favorite Barbie clothes. Oops, I forgot about the chair. Just a plastic Barbie chair I found at the thrift store. I added some legs to make it a little bit higher. I just used some wood chopsticks, painted it white. It looks so much better. But I think I want to make something new for this room. For the art, I used these adult coloring books. I cut out some images about 2 by 2 inches. I used some coffee stir sticks to paint them white to frame the picture after I glued it onto a piece of foam board. Really simple, and it looks cute. And here it is, all finished. I love how it looks. I think it'll look great for my Instagram pics as the background, and I have a lot of Barbie fashion videos coming up soon on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram at Ginger's Doll World. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.